Hi everyone, I'm Dilhan Fernando from Dilmah. I want to present our new Arana line. Arana, in our language, Sinhala, it means the inner part of the forest, the most sacred part of the forest, where herbs, spices that were useful in Ayurvedic, natural, traditional medicine, traditional healing were grown. It was accessed only by the physician or the village headman. We're a tea company. We love Ceylon tea. Green tea, black tea, oolong, and the finest white tea. But today we're talking about natural herbal infusions because consumers are more sensitive than ever before to natural goodness. Arana is different because it represents a tradition of over 3,000 years. It involves herbs and spices, whether it is moringa or ginger, whether it is sarsaparilla, ashwagandha, whether it is tea, the green tea that's in some, the black tea in some, the rooibos or the honeybush that are in others. Each of the ingredients very carefully selected, handpicked by artisans, and the combinations determined by Ayurvedic physicians. Each of these products approved by Sri Lanka's Ayurvedic Council, which is a steward of a 3,000-year tradition. Taking sleep as an example, something that is more critical than ever today in these stressful times. We have a combination of honeybush, which has that beautiful honey-like taste. It's light, it's gentle, it's fabulous in the evening, but combining the incredible potency of Gotukola, of Indian sarsaparilla, and Hathavarya, all natural, traditional, plant-based, antioxidant-rich herbs. Now, why all that is important is that the world is moving towards vegan, plant-based goodness. But it's not just goodness, because it is goodness with a story. For us, as tea growers and as Sri Lankans growing on our plantations, many of these herbs, cinnamon, the cardamom, the cloves, the moringa, growing all of these with a lot of passion, our commitment is to ensuring their authenticity and their quality. And our collaboration with the Ayurvedic Council is to ensure that what we do complies perfectly with authenticity, with the recipes, and ensures that it delivers that Ayurvedic goodness. And so, another detox, the natural detox. Here you have a combination of holy basil, of honeybush, and also Indian sarsaparilla. But youth, you have Ceylon black tea with its natural antioxidant goodness, combined with moringa, with ginger, with star anise, with black pepper, and cinnamon. Each of these known for a specific natural health benefit. So, what is important about Arana is not that it is a product that presents good taste, and it does offer good taste. Yes, it's herbal, but the world is ready for something different. It is an evolution of the herbal tea or the herbal infusion segment that has been growing the category for so many years. But it is an evolution because it is in the direction of authenticity. And so when you taste Awake, as an example, with its green tea base, you have a very clear taste resolution that depicts the ashwagandha, balanced by peppermint. Ashwagandha on its own doesn't have a brilliant taste characteristic, but then these are medicinal herbs and they are authentic. So we're not adding flavor to modify in any way. We are making sure the authenticity is protected. So what we have done is we have added clove, and not just any clove, Sri Lankan, authentic, artisanal clove combined with peppermint. So together, what we offer in Arana is a line that presents authenticity that is perfectly aligned with what we're hearing from the market. Consumers are talking about sugar-free, they're talking about plant-based, they're talking about caffeine-free, and they're talking about goodness, consumption, consuming goodness, but also they're talking about ethics. And here you have the perfect representation of a line of infusions that have a story that is as old as 3,000 years, that also represent that combination of taste, goodness, and ethical purpose. Where ethical purpose is concerned, I think you all know that my father, Merrill Fernando, made a commitment to making his business a matter of human service. And that's a commitment that my family, my colleagues, and I, we honor without compromise. And in Arana, we present the same. a collection of ingredients crafted by Ayurvedic physicians, artisanally harvested, tasted, produced in the most stringent hygienic conditions to present our customer herbal teas and infusions that are rich with natural goodness and the assurance of taste, goodness, and purpose. Please do try it.